This is my new to me 96 Mitsubishi minicab that I just picked up recently. 21,000 original kilometers. The thing is absolutely immaculate clean. It is only a two-wheel drive. It doesn't bother me too much. I bought some new wheels, tires, a lift kit, and all that. I can show it in a minute, but I couldn't pass it up being low mileage and as clean as it was. Inside the door jams. And it's right-hand drive. Interior's perfect. There's no rips, no tears. Either seat. And if you fold the seats down to get underneath, you got your alternator sitting right there on top, little belt, your radiator, your air box, carburetor. Then you can also pop the other side up on the passenger side to access the other half. Little dome light works and everything. This one does not have air conditioning. Not really a problem in Ohio. We don't have too much nice days anyways, so. It's my surround sound system I put in. Little magnetic Bluetooth speaker. So here's the other side of the engine. You got your valve cover with your spark plugs and where you'd fill it with oil and check your oil, your dipstick. Here's your little jack. And then they have an access panel in the bed of the vehicle that you can take off. And even the bed of this thing, I mean, there's no rust in the bed. It's pretty dang clean. It had the full spare, but I pulled it off because, like I said, I'm going with a bit larger tires. And the spare really wouldn't do me any good at that point anyways. But, you know, I try to get the best shots I can underneath this. But yeah, she's pretty clean. It caught my attention. Figured I had to have it. Why not, right? Anyways, that's it for now, I guess, until I do the lift kit. Alright, so here's the wheels, tires, and the lift, and everything that I'll be upgrading to once I get the lift kit on. And it's hilarious because this is the entire lift kit. It's in this small box. It's a spacer basically for the top of the strut. You got your camber plates, your hardware, and then drop the leaves in the back. That's it. That's all there is for that. Wheels, they're an ITP Delta Steel 12x7 with a 4x110 lug pattern. The tires are 23-inch by 8 by 12-inch wheel, DOT approved, 6-ply. Pretty meaty tire. I'm hoping, since this is a two-wheel drive, it'll help get me through a little bit of snow we'll get here. I don't really think I'll have an issue. And obviously I had to use a wheel adapter and spacer to convert from 4x114.3 to 4x110. So once I get the wheels and tires mounted and balanced, then I can pull the truck in, put the lift kit on, because I am daily driving it right now. And then I'll get the lift kit on and do an update video. I'm hoping everything fits. I took a lot of time doing my measurements and homework on it, so I guess we'll see soon.